Hello friends, today we will learn about EC2, how to create a EC2 instance and how to access it. So to create a EC2, you just click on this in services, you will get this compute and then this EC2. Click on that EC2. Okay, so it will show you your running instances. There is no running instances, so you can just click on launch instances. Now you will get different type of instances, like if you want to use Linux, you can create this one, Red Hat, SUSE, Ubuntu, or you want some window, just I will select this window. Okay, this is also for free tier eligible, means you will not charge if you have a free tier account. So you can select this one, whatever you want, type. These are the how many CPU you want, how many memory you want. This is all these things. So in which free tier eligible is written, I will use that services. So I will use this general purpose, this instance. So just I will click on next. So I will keep all thing default. Next, I am not going to add any storage. Next, just I will keep this one also default. Next, default security groups, then launch. You can create a existing, whenever you want to access this resources, you need a key pair. I have already made a key pair. If you want to create a key pair, just click on create new key pair. Just type the key pair name, just my key pair. Okay, download key pair. This is need to retrieve your password and anything. Okay, so you can click on launch instance. As soon as you will click on launch instance, it will it is just prepare for launching. And view instance, you can see your instance. Here you can see it is showing pending. Within 2 to 3 minutes it will be, just what will happen, it will be ready for use, or it will be in running condition. So here you can see there are some services, something which I want to show you. This is a public IPv4. So from this you can RDP, by default RDP is enabled, so you can copy this to your clipboard and you can use this with your with RDP, remote desktop. So it is now running in running state. Firstly, you need a window password. How to access that? You just click on this action and then click on get window password. Password is not available. It is available. You need to wait at least 4 minutes after launching it. So just I will wait for 4 minutes. Then what I will do, if you will just click on connect, it will download a remote desktop file, or you can have your, if you are having this RDP services normally provided in Windows, you can have this remote desktop connection available. So you can just use that one also. So to get a password, you need to click on this password. Okay, so right now it is not available. Just I will wait for 4 minutes, then it will be available. Now I will click on this window password. It is saying that key pair, key path. You can choose that path. You can choose that file. So I will just select that my key pair. Then decrypting, this is also a security feature. If I am having this key pair, then only I am getting that password, window password. Okay, so this is the password. So what you can do, you can copy this password and paste it in one of in your file. So I am just keeping that password with me. So okay, I will close it. Now I can connect it with this one, or I can take a remote desktop session. So I need a IP address. This is my IP address. I can copy it and use this remote desktop to connect that IP. So it is asking for username. So username is administrator, and password I need to copy from this. Okay, you need to copy it and you need to paste this one. So as soon as you will type a password, it will do the same work as you are getting you want to access a physical server from any your remote desktop connection. So now it is saying that you can use yes. So now it will be connected. Just if you are taking a remote desktop of any session, you will have this access to this PC. So we have created this Windows server within 5 to 10 minutes. So it is readily available. You can use these services, and you will charge according to whatever time you are using this services, or whatever. If it is you are having a free tier account, you will have, if you are using that free tier account services, then you will not charge. And so here I am having a server, same way as I am having I am having a you cannot differentiate this from what you if you are purchased a server or you have made it through AWS. So this is the lab to show you how to create this instance. You need to delete this also. Just close that session. Just I will show you what are the options available. There are available options available. So you can terminate, you can just select on action and you can terminate it, the session, by clicking on this terminate. Okay, so you can stop also, you can terminate also. If you will just terminate it, then this resources will be deleted. Now it is showing terminated. So this is a practical where we have used one EC2 and we have accessed that Windows server, and then we have deleted this one. Okay, thank you for watching this video.